Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 8. Subject is mathematics and my topic is data handling. My dear students, from last 2 or 3 lectures we discussed something about data handling, and today we will try to understand some more due facts regarding data handling. There is one another concept, that is circle graph or pie graph. Those students which are familiar with the cricket game can easily understand this very circle graph or a pie graph when they see on a television screen. There sometimes has been shown a record of a particular player of his game, how many runs he has scored total, and in which how many are 4s, 2s, 3s or 6s. So same situation is to be discussed over here. That is, in a pie graph or pie chart, the value of different components are represented by the sector of a circle, the total angle of 360 degree. This is, as I already told you last time regarding the angles. At the center of the circle is divided according to the value of the component. From center these things has been shown. Central angle for a component is equal to value of the component over total values multiplied by 360 degrees. So in this way, there is one another thing, that is frequency. Frequency means it gives the number of times that a particular entity occurs. Means how many times a single or a particular entry is being occurring. Means कितनी बार एक खास आइटम को दिखाया जा रहा है. The table is made is known as frequency distribution table. और इस किस्म के टेबल को फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल के नाम से मैथमेटिक्स में जाना जाता है. इसे पता चलता है कि एक खास एंट्री कितनी बार जाहिर की गई है. नाउ अनदर थिंग इज क्लास इंटरवल. ईच ऑफ द ग्रुप्स, फॉर एग्जांपल 0 to 10 is one group, 10 to 20 is another group, 20 to 3 is the third group, etc., is called a class interval. So it means that class interval means the class is 0 to 10 is one class, 10 to 20 is another class, 20 to 30 is another class. These are the classes, and this is called class interval. Each group of this is called class interval. Now class limit is one another thing, that is, let the class interval is 10 to 20, for example, or 0 to 10, as I already told, 10 to 20, 20 to 3, for example, is called the lower class limit. 10 is its lower class limit and 20 is its upper class limit. Means we are starting from 10 and we are able to go to the extent of 20. So it means that 10 is the lower limit, while as 20 is the upper limit of a particular class or of a class we are going to show. Now another thing is, that is width and size. Width and size is one another thing, that is the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is called the width and size of the class interval. There are two limits. One limit is which one is the lowermost, and another is the topper one. That which is very low and that which is very up. This system in this data handling is called width and size. Means the width and size of that particular thing, that particular item which we are showing in this very data handling. Now another thing is, that is probability. It is a quantitative measure of certainty. Simply, it is probability means quantitative measure. किस क्वांटिटी का क्या हुदूद है, एक पर्टिकुलर क्वांटिटी का क्या हुदूद है, दिस इज सिंपली कॉल्ड क्वांटिटेटिव मेजर ऑफ सर्टेनिटी. So in this way, I think almost all the things related this very data handling we were discussed from last 2 days. Inshallah, tomorrow we will go through exercises of the data handling. I think now we can understand all these things easily in the exercises if all the students will remember all these things. And number two, try to understand more and more what we have to learn from last 2-3 lectures. So in this way, now we can easily solve all these questions or problems related to this very data handling in future in all the exercises in this very chapter. I think this is enough for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will start text exercises. Hope all students will respond better than as I expected. Thanks.